Hey guys, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So on this video, I'll be doing a product review on a new item. This is a tablet holder that goes on the back of your headrest in your vehicle. So when you're taking those long trips and you need to entertain the kids, this is the product, supposedly. So there's a link in the description. Let's see if this thing is as cool as it says it is. It's got like a little tray table holder. It says car seat headrest mount table tray for tablets. So it'll hold your Android phone, it'll hold an iPhone, it'll hold a tablet. It's got the little fold down tray. It's got a place for your drinks. So let's check it out. Let's get into the video and see if this thing is as cool as it says it is. All right, so to install one of these things, open it all up, put it on the back of the headrest, get it centered, and start tightening it up. There you go. Alright, so it's got a 3-inch cup holder on here, and here's some of the different drinks that you can put in this cup holder. Nope on that. Yep. Alright, got a Android in a case here, Samsung tablet. Kids never turn that off, imagine that. Yeah, it's not working so well in the case. You can pop it out of the case here. The cover's a little bigger than the tablet, so we're going to try it without the case. See how it goes. Okay, seems to do the job there. That's your Samsung. Alright, next we have a iPad in the case. Same style of case. So I don't know if these cases are really going to work as advertised. The last case didn't work so well. See, the cases are bigger than the actual device. So these cases aren't working quite as advertised. It says it'll work with the device in the case. Not so much. For this thing to work. And then it's going to work like a champ. So there's the Apple iPad. Let's try the Apple iPhone here. Obviously not going to mess with taking that out of a case. That works just fine. That popped right in there. Okay, so you've got your tray and table holder and your tablet holder here, and you want to fold it up so you can get, into your back seat or whatever. So you fold it up, compact it. So the best way to do this is you fold your table up like this, you fold this forward to get the most space, because if you try to fold it sideways, your seat's going to hit. So your seat's going to hit like that. So you got to fold it all the way forward, and that literally is going to give you the most space. Your seat's still going to hit a little bit. So that's one of the negatives or the downsides, is you're still using up some real estate. You're talking 4 or 5 inches right there, real estate that you're still using up. So if you have leather seats, it'll leave a mark if you're pushing leather up against this thing, and it does take up that much real estate on these seats other than just taking the things off. Alright you guys, so time to go over the positive aspects of this product. Alright you guys, so on the positives, I was just checking this out, and you know how I was saying how you can fold this up, but then this thing is kind of in the way of your seat. So I was just looking at it a little bit closer. This actually pulls forward, and this whole thing comes right off really easy. So it's got like a little arrow on it, a little switch, and this literally pops off. So it's got like a little locking mechanism on it. So that is actually a super convenient thing that I had previously overlooked. So that's going to be a positive. So that comes off really easy. It's got a little locking mechanism and a little switch built right in on top of it. I didn't realize until I looked at it a little bit closer. So positive. A big positive is the installation. It's super quick to install, and it fits on most vehicles right on the back of the headrest, as you saw in the video. Quick install, super straightforward and easy. Alright, so another big benefit is you may not hear "Are we there yet?" quite as often. So that's the obvious big one. The kids might be engrossed in watching a movie, they might be playing the video games, or they may just be enjoying their snack and looking out the window. So there is that obvious one. Alright, so a great positive is the versatility. This fits many tablets with or without their protective covers on, along with the cell phones. So iPhones, Androids, you name it, all the different sizes and shapes that they come in. And so versatility right there, goes up to 13 inches wide, and you can rotate the thing, so versatility. Another positive is the flip down tray. You can fold it up when not in use, and it does hold up to 5 pounds. Not that the kid needs a 7-course meal on the road, but hey, you never know, right? And your cup holder, it's got a 3-inch cup holder, as I showed in the video. It fits a lot of different varieties of cups and juice boxes, whatever. So you got to have that cup holder. Another positive, something that when we were looking to buy one of these, you don't really think about, but it's got the raised lip on the table tray. So when you hit a bump or you go around a corner, the food doesn't go flying off to the side of the car somewhere. So one of those little things people don't always think about. So it does have that raised lip to keep food where it's supposed to be. Another positive is the 360-degree viewing. So you can take that tablet or iPhone, if there's like one of the kids sitting in the middle, you can turn it just a little bit, point it towards them. So another big benefit right there. So another positive is this has the padded holder grip, so your phone's not going to get all scratched up. It's also going to minimize that vibration sound when you're driving in a vehicle for your iPad or your iPhone or Android tablet or device. So that does help out. Alright you guys, so what are some of the negative aspects of this item? Let's go over those. Alright you guys, so one negative about this tablet tray table is so when you're not using it, you can fold up the tray table part just like that. So you can fold that up, which is great. But then when you have somebody in the back seat, you've got this thing kind of right in their face. So what I've had to do is you can turn this and turn it down a little bit like that. And then you can kind of fold this up out of the way, and then that helps. So it gives them a little bit more room, but you see you still got like 5 or 6 inches there where that's kind of in their way. Squish it up a little bit. So that is one negative aspect of that, is that still takes up a little bit of real estate on the back of that seat. Alright you guys, so another negative, these seem a little bit pricey to me. They come in at the $34, $35 mark. And they're plastic. I mean, granted, they're well built for plastic, but still, come on. You know, like 35 bucks. I mean, yeah, it'll hold 5 pounds. and everything these days is plastic. But it just seems like it's a little bit pricey, and maybe it's just me. So I don't know. Seems like kind of the high end for, you know, a fancy chunk of plastic. Alright, so another negative downside of this tray table is that you do have to actually take off the case or the cover of your iPad or your Android tablet to get this thing to actually fit or to work. Alright, you guys, so to sum up, for the cost of this item, you're actually getting a pretty sweet deal. You've got the little folding tray table here, you've got your phone and your tablet holder right here. The kids aren't asking, are we there yet, every 5 minutes. They've, you know, got something to watch, they've got their little food table, or, you know, possibly put some toys on there, whatever for them. We used it recently on a trip up to Yellowstone, and these things are great. The fact that you can take them in and out of your car fairly easy, takes maybe a minute to install them or uninstall them. I just found out you can pop this top thing in and out really quick removal on it. And for what you're getting, you know, it's a pretty sweet deal. Like I say, look at the reviews for yourself, read through the reviews, see what you think about it. I'd love to see the comments, what else you find out there, what else is available. This is one of the better ones I think that we found. So hopefully this video has been really helpful. Thanks so much for checking it out. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel and check out these other awesome videos, you guys. Thanks so much.